The chair I sat on last night actually broke, but instead of calling a repair guy, I'm using a simple trick almost nobody thinks about, and this chair will be good as new without spending much.
The first step is to remove all the screws. We need to open this part before we can start to repair.
Make sure every screw is removed. Don't leave a single one behind. We need all of them out to open this panel properly.
After we make sure the panel is completely detached, we're ready to start the real repair process.
Prepare a few small metal pieces taken from the inside of a staple. These will be used as reinforcement for the broken area. Separate each staple piece one by one, slowly but steadily, until you collect several metal strips.
After we've collected several metal pieces, we can move on to the next step.
Prepare the soldering iron and make sure to flip the tip around before we use it. To flip the soldering tip, first loosen the locking screw at the end of the soldering iron. Turn the screw slowly until the tip comes off and can be reversed. After flipping the tip, make sure to tighten the screw again so it doesn't come loose and stays firmly in place. The next step is to prepare 2 portions of metal epoxy. This mixture will be used to bond the cracked panel so it becomes solid and strong again.
Mix the 2 epoxy components in the tray you prepared earlier. Use just enough material and make sure the ratio is 1:1.
Stir the mixture quickly until both components blend together completely. Once it becomes a uniform paste, the epoxy is ready to be applied.
The epoxy is now ready to be applied to the panel.
Slowly but carefully, make sure every detail of the panel is covered with epoxy. Don't let any spot be missed.
In this area, especially the tight grooves that are hard to reach, make sure to pay extra attention.
After making sure everything is properly coated, press the 2 parts together so they bond firmly and hold with strong pressure. Smooth the epoxy in this area to make sure the surface is even and level.
Next, continue with the soldering process to smooth the surface and begin embedding the metal pieces.
In this stage, we work carefully on the detailed process of embedding the metal pieces. The goal is to place them firmly and tightly, closing every gap until the surface is completely even. And of course, the main purpose of these metal pieces is to reinforce the panel, helping it hold every crack and stabilize the damaged area. Do this process carefully, slowly but steadily, and repeat it until everything is properly reinforced. In this part, we also apply G-glue while inserting a small piece of styrofoam into the cracked gap. This helps fill the space and adds extra strength to the repair. This step is meant to reinforce the areas that are hard to reach, giving them extra strength and stability. After the gluing process is completed, we continue by soldering the section we repaired earlier. At this stage, we add staples as additional reinforcement, so the structure becomes much stronger and less likely to crack again.
Finally, our repair process is complete. Now let's take a look at the results. It's quite neat, isn't it? We proceed with reassembly.
In the end, anything broken at home is worth trying to fix first. We don't always have to call a professional or buy a brand new replacement. Sometimes, with a bit of patience and creativity, the things around us can become unexpected solutions. Materials that seem simple or even useless can actually restore strength, close gaps, and bring damaged parts back to life. So before giving up on something broken, take a closer look. You might be surprised by what you can repair with your own hands.